So Quick Turn Precision Machining, we're a precision machine shop. We're kind of a job shop. We do a variety of, anything and everything that kind of comes through the door, from roller coaster parts to automation, aerospace, just kind of a variety of everything. We've been in business for approximately 20 years. From first starting out running the business, there was a lot of challenges, from hiring employees to finding, good help to help us to accomplish what we needed to. But, it's been a success, and we've been able to accomplish some great things here at Quick Turn. We've had banks approach us to do, business loans or equipment loans, things like that. And America First has just always made those kind of things simple and easy to work with. I love their website. I love how easy, how convenient it is. We've been able to just make improvements over the years, from doing all our payroll online, bill pay, which is super convenient, to doing all our deposits on, here at the shop. There's just been a lot of conveniences that have been, very helpful, save time, those kind of things. So as far as like our future with America First, Quick Turn, we're always constantly striving to become better, to grow, to implement new things to help us to, be more successful. And, eventually we'd like to buy a new building, and I see America First being part of that, being able to help us to, find the finances to be able to do that, be able to grow that much further.